Most entry-level astronomical scopes are a trap. They promise absurd magnification on unstable platforms, an exercise in pure frustration designed to gather dust in a garage. The marketing preys on ignorance, selling a narrow, shaky image that guarantees you'll never find, let alone appreciate anything beyond the moon. It is a calculated failure, a disposable good meant to disappoint. The Gskyer Reflector, however, is built around a different philosophy. The entire design hinges on one critical specification: a fast focal ratio, an f-stop of 5. This is not about the hollow promise of power, it is about the practical application of efficiency. Physics are immutable. A shorter focal length, here inside a compact 24-inch tube, delivers a vastly wider field of view. It is the fundamental difference between peering at the cosmos through a keyhole and observing it through a proper viewport. That f-stop of 5 is the narrative anchor for this entire instrument. It dictates its purpose. It works in concert with the 130mm or 5.1-inch primary mirror. These are all glass optical components, not the warped plastic lenses you so often find in this bracket. The manufacturer mentions high transmission coatings, which are frankly table stakes in any serious optic, but when applied to a fast system like this, the result is a bright, expansive image. This is a proper light bucket, an instrument engineered to pull in the faint, ghostly light of distant nebulas and entire star clusters, not to simply magnify a planet into an unrecognizable shimmering map. This is a design for deep space, not just our local celestial bodies. So let's audit the return on your investment, which is measured in time, not dollars. Your most valuable asset under a dark sky is time before the clouds roll in or the sun comes up. The wider field of view from that fast focal ratio buys back your time, directly and immediately, and exponentially reduces the search phase of your observation. Instead of spending an hour of your night aimlessly hunting for a faint galaxy, you acquire the target in minutes. The Toothless focusing base is another critical time-saving component, eliminating the frustrating image shift and backlash common in cheaper rack and pinion systems. You are not buying a toy, you are buying back hours of your life from the void of operational friction. For Knit the Wireless Remote, that is a predictable gimmick. Focus on the core system, the optics, and the German Equatorial mount, which demonstrate a surprising degree of industrial integrity for this price point. It's a tool engineered for efficient discovery. I'll put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock on Amazon.